One eternity later.
Now guys, I'm taking serious today. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be talking about Instagram. Instagram just announced a new feature and it's called Instagram Reels, and it's like a TikTok, but it's like a better version of TikTok. You can hear the video, one of the Reels video, and you can see, you can double tap and like it, and you can share it, and you can comment, and it's pretty much like TikTok, but it's like a better version of TikTok. And in this video, I'm just gonna show you how you can edit the video and post it. Let's get into the video. So guys, to get the Reels feature, first you have to go to your app store and make sure you search up Instagram and make sure you update the app. If you didn't do this, the app's not going to work, and you have to do this, you have to do this. If you don't do this, you're not gonna get the Reels feature. And after you update the app, just go back to your Instagram and go to your homepage and swipe right, and there's a three options. You can see live, story, reels, and this is the reels. You can see, just swipe right, and let me just do something and just click the blue button right here and keep recording, like, and that's enough, I think. And after you record, you can see there is a 5 option in the left corner. The music right here, you can add wherever music you want. Like if I wanted to this one, and you can see, like, you can place it wherever place you want, how many seconds you want. Or if you want this music, click done. If you don't want this music, click cancel. Just click cancel if you don't want the music. This one help you, like, the fast, like, it's like the speed, like, if you put it on 2x, your video will be slower. If you put it on 3x, then 0.3x, your video will be faster. And this one is the effect. It's like TikTok, but they have more. Like this one, the color. Let me just show you the marshmallow right here. I didn't put my face, that's why they didn't give me the marshmallow. This and the electric. You can see there's a lot of things. And the last one is, it's like a, wait, let me just go back. It's like the new feature, but it's the ghost version. You can see it's like the videos right there. When you record, like, when you put in the ghost, your video will be still there, but it will, like, directly record. You can see my hand, it recording, but my all the videos is still in the screen, if you see that. And after you do this, if you want to post it, just click the right button, or if you don't want to post it, just click the backward button, or like click this button right here and keep recording. Let me just pause it right here and click the right button and click share. And if you want to add like hashtag or any caption, you can do that. And if you want to post it to your story, just click story and you can share it to your story. Just if you want to save it to Drift, and if you want to post it later, you can do that too. And if you just like want to post it directly to Reels, just click share. Just click share. Like, just wait. You can see the blue line. Okay, let's just wait. It's almost done. Okay, it's almost done. My Wi-Fi is a little bit slower, that's why it's like so slow. It's almost done. You can see it still. And here's my video. You can see it. If you go to your profile right here, and you can see the 3 options, the new option, the Reels one, it's like TikTok. Just click that right here, and you can pause it, and you can like the video, or you can like comment on your own video. And I'm just gonna delete. I don't want the video to post it. Like, let me just delete it real quick. And this pretty much how you do it, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and peace.